Ahlan. Merci beaucoup d'être ici, de vous en inviter. I would like to, following the speech of my colleague before, so I would like to explain you a little bit what is very important, the education in the restoration and conservation of the artworks. But this is very, very important that when you make structural consolidation of the building, and the building or the art is decorated inside, or if you must have to conserve some objects, it's very important to be educated and to have knowledge. I'm very happy before to continue to, I have one other thing, my colleague, thank you very much to be, and congratulations for your work. I'm Georgios Tavlaridis, chemist, conservation scientist, and wooden technologist. I know that many of the buildings that they are collapsed in the area was built from clay and stone. Really that? Many of these buildings. It's really more than so that, thanks to God, we have many buildings, not only in Lebanon, in Beirut, not in this area, that they are built with this method. Okay, it's very important to prevent, I don't say, I hope not another explosion, but earthquakes. We are all in the Mediterranean Sea. So to prevent, what do? You wait to destroy, to collapse the building to build another? No. To see how we can to prevent, to consolidate better this building, but we know that they have natural materials and not what concrete. But alas, if not, we have to speak until tomorrow, if you like, after we can discuss a little bit. So my speech is for the conservation, the education system. And I will show you two examples, and then I will show a very emotional video, very short video, regarding your country. What I do it with my colleague, Gabi Mamari, immediately after the collapse, for the restoration of the artworks. Please, go. The first is, here is, I'm very lucky man, because I travel very much around the, can you close excuse me, okay. I'm very lucky man, because I travel around the world. This is, I'm in the Tutankhamun tomb inside, and I was lucky because I visited alone. I was in Luxor between 2015 and 2016, and I have to make training and coordinate the local restorers for the restoration, some chapels of Karnak Temple, go please, in Honsu Temple, Karnak Temple, go before, back, yes, that all the surface are very difficult to surface, because these are mural paintings of 2,500 years old, and it's not a fresco painting, but it's a secco painting, used like medium, only Arabic gum. And why Arabic gum? Because in all of Luxor, it's full of trees of Arabic gum. And we tried new materials, but natural materials, materials that we eat every day to clean this surface. Go, please. They are the tests using this material, and look the difference between cleaning and after cleaning. It is nothing of retouching now, only to clean it, the surface, with natural materials. The people, they don't know that before, and use different methods, more expensive, and not materials that are very simple to find. Now, wait. I will show you an example of function of a restoration school, and I'm very, very proud for that, because I collaborated for the creation this school, please. We are in Bethlehem, in the state of Palestine. And I'm very proud because last summer, I created in collaboration with my colleagues of Dar al-Kalima University, the first restoration school in the state of Palestine. And you must know that all the countries that they have border with Palestine, better don't speak where the country, all the countries except Egypt, it is a restoration school. We have created a really very functional restoration school with laboratories, restoration laboratories, and scientific laboratories, full functional laboratories. Please go to the next. They are, we have, at the beginning, now we started making a small training course of 1 year, of 1 month, 2 months, etc. And the next year, on September, it will start the first school, master school of the restoration of the students. Come, please. Some of the effects we restored, we take it many icons coming from the area of Bethlehem, is before and after restoration. Go, please, after. Last day, and all the group, my colleagues and the students, and we like it to give a message of esperance, and you know better than me what is the situation. But I'm very happy we leave it, and we will go again. I will come back after Christmas holidays. But my students continue, please. No, stop here. Okay, continues with now, and we follow for the restoration of objects from distance. Regarding the restoration of objects from distance, and regarding the collaboration with Lebanon, and expression, a big expression, if you like, tell you, my Habibi, for your country, for your city. Immediately after the blasts, I participated in Indonesia. They asked me in the course, etc., seminaries, and they asked me to prepare some work. I decided to prepare a video. A video for using a natural material is to thanks the people of Indonesia, because this material you can find more in Indonesia, is the agar-agar gel. The madam knows very well, because if you cook in the kitchen and we eat every day agar-agar, and I make this video for the use of the agar-agar gel for the cleaning and using of the artworks. The first part of this, there are 3 parts, scientific little bit, and the second part was dedicated in Luxor, but the third part was dedicated to you, because we decided to go Gabi to make a video for a distance, a collaboration for a distance, because it was impossible to come to the COVID, etc. And so you will be a very short part of this video. Go this next, please. And if it's possible to make the photo, see all the video on YouTube, so you make a like, it is better for me, so increase the viewers. Okay. And now please close, and you see this video. Okay, close this. And the quality is not because I cut it, etc.
أين كنا والهوى الغوى نتشاكى في الحنين
In the snow now. And then it should use a spot where you have different colors, green, red, and I'm going to put first the border through of the graphic. Then I'm going to drop the snow on top of it, and then I will use my scratching rod to apply it on the surface. So it's very soft. It takes a while. I'm gonna make kind of a thick layer of Abdallah with the 15% hydrogen on the surface. So, and I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes first, and see how the results will end up. Yeah. So. Now all we have to do is wait. What is interesting in the Abdallah solution that it's transparent enough and you can see what the painting underneath. So even if you make it as thick as like 5 millimeters or 8 millimeters, something like that, you still see the colors. It starts to give you an idea about what's going on. So you start to see the paper turning yellow somehow. It means there is some direct reaction happening, but there is still a reaction that's happening on the surface of the
When finish on the PowerPoint, okay, it's finished now, 10 seconds. Thank you very much. But before to go outside, I would like really maybe a presentation like it to be a message to all of you that you must create to educate the people in the conservation fight. It is very, very, very important. Okay, this is the first. A second, can you open the light, please? In the name of all my colleagues from Italy, they told me that I have to make a small speech. I would like to thank you very much, the organization of FIBRE, Madame l'Ambassadrice, all the the local each organization, and very, very much all of you that you are can follow us these 3 days. It is very important. And all is a message at first of Habibi to you. And the second, of course, we are making here to try to collaborate, to find the words. But we are coming here because we love your country, and we love very much. Thank you very much.